Hello, my name is Radka Nedvědová and I am the Academy Tutor for Paper P7 Advanced Audit and Assurance. I would like to give you some tips for Paper P7 exam for December 12. Make sure you focus on the following areas in your last minute revision: compliance with laws and regulations, tendering and fee setting, other types of engagements, for example, risk assessment, systems reliability and e-commerce, due diligence. Also look at subsequent events and other completion activities. These were subject of recent article. Quality control, evaluation of misstatement, the new ISA 450, discussion questions about audit failures and expectations gap, auditing small and medium size entities. There are some areas that are almost always examinable in P7. Some of those are planning and risk assessment. You may need to recap the concepts of audit risk, risk of material misstatement, which was previously called financial statement risk, and the business risk. Questions on planning can frequently include some elements of analytical review. Areas of acceptance and ethics are also examined very often, together with audit opinion, where you may need to talk about actions which have to be taken by the auditor in case that modified opinion is going to be issued. You will also need some knowledge of international financial reporting standards. Some of those that are more likely for this exam are employee benefits, deferred tax balances, earnings per share, reporting operational or segmental information, and financial instruments. I wish you good luck in your preparation and in your exams.